and welcome to my new video. Today we discuss another new topic, that second order linear differential equation with variable constant, okay, with variable coefficient. So what is this second order linear differential equation? You already saw how to solve the linear differential equation of first order and first degree, then linear equation of higher order. There we discuss only second order linear differential equation, not higher order 4, 5, 6. So what is this? This basically d2y by dx square plus p dy by dx plus qy equal to x. Clear? So which type of differential equation here we learn to solve? This type of equation. d2y by dx square plus p dy by dx plus qy equal to x, where p, q and x all are variable of x, not of y. All are from x only. Clear? So there are some method for solving these types of equation. First one is method of one integral is known. When we solve it, its complementary function, if we consider complementary function, if we know one part of complementary function is known, then we can go through with that. Or known means we can take out by the inspection. We can see and we can finding out by the inspection. Second form is removal of first derivative. We can remove the one derivative dv by dx from there and then we solve. Third one is changing of independent variable. Fourth one is variation of parameter. So today in this video we discuss how to solve this equation with first method of one integral is known. Clear? So what is this method tell? I just explain you, then we go for the examples. Our method of one integral is known. Our standard equation is this. In second notation, y double dash plus py dash plus qy equal to x. Clear? So this is second order linear differential equation with variable coefficient, where this p, q and x are always coefficient of x only. Clear? So there is some method for solving this equation. First one is when, if we say its complete solution is y is equal to uv, or we can say vu, anything. Clear? Y is equal to uv, or we can say uv or vu. Then in this method, when one integral is known, means we know this one u. If we can find out this u, then we can solve complete equation, and we at the end we can find the v also. When we substitute u and v value here, we will get the complete solution. So where complete solution is uv. So what is the method how to finding this u? So for this u we can find by the inspection. There are some substitution. If we can see that equation, we can directly substitute that u equal to this. So I go one by one. Our equation is y double dash plus py dash plus qy equal to x. If we substitute, let us assume y is equal to e to the power ax is one part of complementary function, or we can say this value satisfies this equation. If y is equal to this, then what is y dash? Y dash means dy by dx, this term. So y dash is a e to the power ax. Clear? Next, y double dash is a square e to the power ax. Clear? When we integrate, a is any constant. So and so on. When we substitute these value here, what our equation becomes? E to the power ax a square plus p A plus Q equal to X. Clear? So if this equation satisfies, it means this becomes 0. Clear? So this becomes 0 if we consider, we talk about the complementary function. Means we talk about the complementary function, this becomes 0. So we can say A square plus PA plus Q equal to 0. In some book you can see A replaced with M, then our standard equation is M square plus Pm plus Q equal to 0. If we put M equal to 1, M equal to 1, or we can say A equal to 1, then if A equal to 1, our equation is 1 plus P plus Q equal to 0. Clear? 1 plus P plus Q equal to 0. So if this equation satisfies any given second order linear equation, then we can say our u, one part of complementary function, is e to the power 1x, e to the power x. If e to the power 2x, if a is 2, then equation is going to be 4 plus 2p plus q equal to 0. Then this is e to the power 2x. Next, very important maximum question, e to the power minus x. If m is equal to minus of 1, then m is equal to minus of 1, then minus 1 is, this is 1, this is minus p, this is plus of q. So what are these? I can rewrite here, y, or we can say u is equal to e to the power x, then equation is 1 plus p plus q is equal to 0. If u is equal to e to the power minus x, then equation is 1 minus p plus q is equal to 0. These two are most important result when we see by the inspection. Now I can show you the second substitution, what we can substitute here, and we find these types of condition. Second substitution is x to the power m. If y is equal to x to the power m, then dy by dx is m x to the power m minus 1, then d2y by dx square is m minus 1 x to the power m minus 2. Simple differentiation. We substitute here. Then what are the conditions comes? When we substitute here, our equation become m minus 1 x to the power m minus 2 plus p m x to the power m minus 1 plus q y is x to the power m equal to 0. If we taking x to the power m minus 2 is common outside, then our equation become m minus 1 plus p m plus q x square, here 1 x equal to 0. Clear? This goes 0. So with this we find the condition. First, if m is equal to 1. If m is equal to 1, then x to the power 1. If m is equal to 1, this 1 minus 1, this goes 0. So what is the condition? P x plus qx square is equal to 0. Again x taking outside, so equation is p plus qx is equal to 0. So first condition for this x to the power m, u is equal to x only, means x to the power 1 is p plus q x equal to 0. See, when you put m is equal to 1 here, this goes 0, this goes px plus qx square is equal to 0, x common outside, so p plus qx square is equal to 0, and then p plus. Second is, if x is equal to m is equal to 2, then 2 minus 1 is 2. So condition is 2 plus 2 px plus qx square is equal to 0. So these are another two important condition where we see that by the inspection, if these equations are satisfied, we can say one part of complementary function is this one only. So now we go to and solve some example, so you better understand how to solve these type of second order linear equation. Now I'll go for the example. First one, solve x d2y by dx square minus 2x minus 1 dy by dx plus x minus 1 y equal to 0. Clear? When you solve this, first you put in the amount what is our standard form of that equation. Standard form is d2y by dx square plus p dy by dx plus qy equal to x or 0. So there x is there, first we have to remove. We don't want anything with this. So step 1, divide complete equation with x. So when we divide, this is y double dash minus 2 x minus 1 by x y dash plus x minus 1 by x y equal to 0. Clear? So now we have to find out p and q. P is equal to minus 2x minus 1 by x and q is equal to x minus 1 by x. This is q, this is p. Coefficient of dy by dx is p, coefficient of y is q. Now you check which equation is satisfied. 1 plus p plus q is equal to 0, 1 minus p minus 1 minus p plus q is equal to 0, p plus qx is equal to 0 or whatever. So here if we check, see this is minus 2 minus 1 by x and this is 1 minus 1 by x. So 1 by x, 1 by x, this is plus and this is minus, cancel. This is minus 2, this is plus 1. Minus 1 is remaining. If we put 1 plus p plus q, then minus 1 plus 1 cancel out. So definitely this question satisfy 1 plus p plus q equal to 0. You check it. If this is 0, then we can say our u is e to the power mx. M is 1, so e to the power 1x. If u is this, then we can say our complete solution is equal to y is equal to vu. Clear? Vu. So v e to the power x. If y is equal to v e to the power x, then we have to find out each and every term. Y dash dy by dx, when v as it is, d by dx of e to the power x is e to the plus e to the power x as it is, derivation of this is dv by dx. Similarly, y double dash is v e to the power x plus e to the power x dv by dx. By first term, second term same, then 1 plus 1 2 plus e to the power x d2v by dx square. Clear? Next step, we have to substitute y dash, y double dash in given equation. So now we have to substitute all these things in given equation. So I substitute. So what is now coming? When we substitute these all values, we can taking e to the power x everywhere. So we can taking it outside, e to the power x d2v by dx square plus 2 dv by dx plus v minus 2 minus 1 by x e to the power x v plus dv by dx plus 1 minus 1 by x v e to the power x is equal to 0. E to the power x all 0. Now this equation in all collecting the coefficient d2v by dx square, dv by dx and v. So there d2v by dx square plus When we arrange the coefficient of dv by dx, 2 minus 1 by x dv by dx, then see, this is v, this is minus 2v, and this is again 1v. So plus v minus v cancel out, 2v cancel out. This is minus plus 1 by v by x. This is also minus v by x. So plus v by x minus v by x is equal to cancel. Remaining equation is only all v terms omit. Next step, we have to substitute dv by dx is equal to, when in n new variable I consider it is k. Substitute here. So when we substitute here, d2v by dx square is dk by dx plus 2 minus 1 by x, k is equal to 0. Clear? Now when we put this, now we simplify, this 2 minus 2 is cancel out, so this is only plus 1 by x. So this is k by x is equal to 0. Now in this equation, this is simply, we can say, this is variable separable of first order first degree. Sometimes it is not variable separable, it is linear of first order first degree. So in this variable separable, we can easily say dk by k is equal to minus dx by x. Okay, so we can say this gives log k is equal to minus log x plus c1. Clear? Now this gives, if we remove the log, then k is equal to c1 by x. Now what is k? K is dv by dx. Replace it. dv by dx is equal to c1 by x. Clear? So dv by dx is c1 by x. Again variable separable. So dv is equal to c1 dx by x. So when we integrate it, v is equal to c1 log x plus c2. Clear? Now our solution is y is equal to vu. So v is this and u is e to the power x. So y is v into u. c1 e to the power x log x plus c2 e to the power x. So complete solution of given question second order linear equation is given by this. Clear? Sometimes when we solve these types of equation by inspection, it becomes linear first order first degree and we have to solve it. In my second video, you can see one more example on this, then we go for another method. That's all for today. Thank you very much.